Hello, Angela. This is my sister fixing her roses she bought for herself.
Yes, no one buys me flowers. I have to buy my own flowers. But that's okay.
Chris, I will definitely be sending you this video. This is a test of the new GoPro Hero 3 that I just purchased so I can wreck it later off my quadcopter.
But he got a warranty.
I got a warranty, so when I do wreck it, they'll give me a new one. You got thoughts, sissy?
No, but aren't my flowers beautiful?
Nice flowers.
Yes, they're beautiful.
And there's Austin playing his video game. He's mad at Munkle because
Uncle has
I was grumpy.
anger issues.
Oh, he has his headphones on.